3D printing, also called additive manufacturing, builds 3D objects layer by layer from digital models. While initially confined to rapid prototyping in the 1980s, it has evolved into a viable industrial production technology. Early pioneers included Hideo Kodama in 1981 and Chuck Hull in 1984, whose patent for stereolithography led to the first commercial 3D printer, the SLA-1, in 1987. S. Scott Crump's FDM technology, patented in 1988, became the foundation for most hobbyist and consumer 3D printers today. Terminology evolved alongside the technology. Additive manufacturing gained popularity in the 2000s, highlighting the material addition aspect. While 3D printing initially referred to powder bed processes, it now encompasses various techniques like FDM and selective laser melting. The 2000s saw increased adoption in industries like architecture and medicine, mainly for low-accuracy models and testing. The open-source RepRap project in 2005 and Fab Home in 2006 fueled a new wave of affordable, accessible 3D printers. The 2010s marked significant progress, with metal additive manufacturing entering production for applications like engine brackets in the aviation industry. 3D printing's potential for sustainable development also gained traction. Today, 3D printing is more accessible than ever, with entry-level printers costing under $200. FDM remains the most common technique due to its affordability. Looking ahead, 3D printing has the potential to further revolutionize manufacturing, healthcare, and other fields.